My name is Steven, and I'm a senior environmental advisor here at Resolution Copper. I have deep roots here in Arizona, and this is my home. I've been here at Resolution Copper just under 4 years, and my job is to meet or exceed every environmental standard we have here. My father taught me to respect Mother Earth and sustain it for future generations, and that drives everything I do. Since I've been here, I've been able to implement recycling of wood and recycling of tires, which used to be landfilled but are now being recycled. What makes Resolution Copper different is that when I bring an idea to them, they don't push back, they say run with it, and they go the extra mile to make it happen financially. From an environmental perspective, domestic mining is so important. Producing copper here in the U.S. is much cleaner because our regulations here in the U.S. are much more stringent than anywhere else. Resolution Copper over time has rehabilitated a lot of the old legacy mining areas that just simply didn't look good. Resolution Copper has spent lots of money removing the invasive species fountain grass from the area, which enables native species to move back into the area. It's about restoring the land to how it's supposed to be. Knowing we're leaving this place better than how we found it is important. That's what my father taught me, and that's what we get to do here.